Okay, so I have an acoustic guitar track that I want to put some waves, ocean waves onto, because we're in Santa Cruz and that's where the artist lives, and that's the deal. So this is how we're doing it. I'm going to go into the Electronaut, into the LA3A, out of the LA3A into the 1176, out of the 1176 into 2A3, and this is how we're going to achieve that. Perlman microphone. So I found this file on the web that is called Ocean Waves. I'm going to pipe that through these speakers, little computer speakers, and record them. Can't see. Record them into the Perlman microphone. Into the microphone. Into the studio. Into the Electronaut. Into the LA3A. Into the 1176. Into the 2A3. And into Pro Tools, which I haven't pulled up yet. So that's how I'm going to get Ocean Waves.